Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Zoom app on your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you need to make sure that your mobile device has enough storage for the application. And now, you want to open your App Store and click on the search button at the lower right corner of your screen and click on the search bar. And now just go ahead and search for Zoom. So now here, as you can see on my Zoom application, you can see this cloud with an arrow, right? So that means reinstall, okay? So it means that I already had a Zoom. But if you had never had a Zoom, you can see a get button there, like this, okay? So like this, okay, get button. So just go ahead and click on that get button, and remember you need to type your Apple ID password. So if you don't know, in order to install any applications that you want in your phone, you need to type your Apple ID password. So just go ahead and type your password and just wait for the app. And once it is done installing, you can now start log in your account and you can start using it. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.